In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your status to offline on Microsoft Teams. This simple yet effective way allows you to focus without interruptions and gives you the space you need from notifications during busy times. Whether you're working on a big project or just need some quiet time, setting your status to offline is a great tool to have at your disposal. First things first, we need to navigate to teams.microsoft.com. This is the web version of Microsoft Teams, where you'll have access to all the features without needing the desktop application. Make sure you're on your preferred browser and enter the URL into your address bar. Once the page loads, it's time to sign in with your Microsoft account. You'll need your username and password handy. If your account is linked to your work, school, or any organization, ensure you're entering the correct credentials. Once logged in, you should see the familiar Microsoft Teams interface ready to be tailored to your needs. Now that you're inside your account, the next step is to set your status to offline, which is a feature that helps you stay focused by letting others know not to disturb you. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile icon. This is usually displayed as your initials or your profile picture, if you have one uploaded. Go ahead and click on this icon. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various settings and options you can adjust according to your preference. Here, we're interested in changing your status. Just below your profile information, you should see your current status. This is usually set to available by default, indicating to others that you're open to interaction. By clicking on your current status, you will see a list of other status options available to you. These options are designed to give you control over how and when others can reach you, making it easier to manage your availability. From this list, locate and select the offline option. Choosing offline signals to your colleagues that you're not available for interactions at this moment, providing a handy way to minimize distractions when you're working on something important or simply need a break. After selecting offline, the change should be reflected instantly, and your icon will show others that you're not actively online. And there you have it. You're now set to offline on Microsoft Teams. This quick adjustment ensures that you can work at your pace without unnecessary disturbances. It's always good to remember that communication can wait, especially when you're in the zone. When you're ready to be available again, you can return and adjust your status back to available or any other setting that fits your needs. Thanks for following along, and may this tip help you maintain your focus and productivity whenever you need it most.